Hello, where's the lighting? Here we go. Hi. Just to catch you guys up, I am back home now in Maryland, and today I've taken it I got back yesterday, by the way. Yesterday I unpacked all my stuff, which I had way too many things. Like, when I go back next time, I really need to pack light because I didn't wear half the things I took. It was just way too much. Anyways, I unpacked and that was pretty much it. Like, I was exhausted. I also had a migraine. I was not feeling good. Today I started my workout plan. I'm doing this new workout plan that I'll tell you guys more about it once I complete maybe week 1 and 2, just because like I really want to like test it out and see how I'm feeling. But I will keep you guys posted on that, do not worry, because it's something new that I'm trying. So yeah, I worked out. I actually really enjoyed my workout. It felt amazing. And then I had so much energy when I finished my workout that I came home and I started cleaning. And I feel like I've been cleaning for the past like 2 or 3 hours, and I've only done the kitchen, and now I'm moving on to the living room. I cleaned everything, the stove. Well, I'm lying, I didn't clean the stove because usually Chris will clean the stove. I cleaned everything, the counters, put everything away. There were so many things out. Sink. That is a pile of Chris's mail that I need him to look over and organize when he gets home from work. I cleaned this area over here. That TV, Chris still swears that he's going to get it fixed. Good luck to him. I don't want it there anymore. And now I am gonna start cleaning the living room, and it's pretty dark in here because I have to move my lamp back there where the tree is. I'm actually taking the tree down right now. I'm taking all the Christmas decor down. I loved how everything looked, but it's time for the Christmas decor to go. And I'd rather do it now while I have energy, because if not, it will stay up for like another month. Right now I'm on my way to the salon, Ashton Oak Salon, where I got my hair originally done, lightened. I haven't been there in 2 months, and my tape pins have officially grown out too much where like they just need to be redone. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing today. For sure I'm going to be removing the tape pins, and then I don't know if my hair is going to need to be toned. I gotta see like how my hair looks and what they recommend. But yeah, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, so we shall see. And we're back. Just finished getting my hair done, and now it's pouring, of course. I feel like it rains all the time when I get my hair done. So I removed my tape and hair extensions. We ended up adding a little bit more highlight to my hair, and then we toned the color because it really needed to get toned. And then she made like the front little pieces a little lighter, like a little icier. And I really love that because I feel like these 2 little front pieces make you feel like you're so much lighter than you are. And oh, and then we also trimmed my hair a little bit because I needed a trim. If you dye your hair lighter, you probably need to get trims very often, because if not, what happens is like your hair starts to break at the end. Hold on. Your hair starts breaking at the end. If you don't trim that breakage, then it'll just like split open and your hair is gonna be a hot mess. I did all that. Oh, and then my tape-ins. So I left the tape-ins there because I wanted her to add a little depth to the hair, because you can't tell I can't speak. You can tell when the extensions are in my hair. I should have actually taken a quick photo of them because she had them all lined up. But the extensions are rooted. Like the whole half of the extensions are like this light brown that matches this part of my hair. But it doesn't really show because the rooted part ends where my natural hair ends also. So literally it just blends right in with my hair, and then the icy blonde starts. Well, not icy blonde. Well, the blonde starts at the end. But since my hair is like pretty much the same length as the rooted part, I wanted her to bring that color down so that it could be more balayage and just like everything kind of blends a lot smoother. So I left them here. She already started dyeing them, and I will be back next week to get them installed, and I cannot wait to see how they look. For now, it feels really nice to have a little bit of a break from the tape-ins. Honestly, I'm so used to like hair extensions that it doesn't bother me to have hair extensions in, but then when they are out, you're like, ooh, nice little break. And I need to eat. I'm so hungry, but I'm trying to decide where I want to get food from. I have some cashews with me, because if not, I'll get real hangry. All right, let's go. Oh, I wanted to show you guys that I clipped in my Luxury for Princess hair extensions, and how crazy does it match. Like, it's insane. They match so well. I put them in because I was filming some videos for you guys, and I love how it matches. It's so crazy how like my whole look just changed by putting this color instead of the other one. I did 2 videos just now, and I'm pretty tired, but I'm also contemplating going to Target because I want to work on my vision board tomorrow, and I kind of just want to buy everything that I need right now and start on that. I don't know. I really didn't want to leave the house again. I don't like leaving the house at night over here when I'm alone. And it looks like it stopped raining, so I feel like I should take advantage and go. I think we're gonna go. I'm just gonna change my clothes, and I think we're gonna go. Can you guys believe that I was gonna vlog at Target and I forgot my camera here, and then I was like, it's okay, I'll vlog with my phone. And then as I was leaving Target, I was like, I didn't even vlog. Anyways, we're back from Target. It was a very quick trip regardless, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First of all, I mean, I won't show you the boring stuff like canola oil, but I got 3 new bottles of kombucha. I got the Macaberry, which I had once and I did like. And then I got 2 bottles of the Pink Lady Apple, which I also really like. They didn't have my favorite, which is the pomegranate one. I drank this one earlier. So that's why I got those other flavors. Can't live without my kombucha. And, oh, I got this. I'm gonna try it tonight, actually. So this is by the brand called Sweet Earth. I tried one of their vegan quesadillas before, and I really didn't like it. Really didn't like it. But I think I didn't like it because it had beans, and I like Dominican style beans, but what I figured out is that I don't like those dry beans. I don't know. I don't like, I can't go and get like a bean burrito. I don't like it. So whatever. I didn't like their quesadilla, but this caught my attention. I had never seen it before. So this is their vegan cauliflower mac and cheese. And it's vegan cauliflower, cream sauce, sweet potatoes, and pasta. And it only has 290 calories, which when I checked the calories, I thought it was gonna be like 600. I don't know why. I thought it was gonna be something really high. And I couldn't believe that it was only 290, so. I'm gonna try this, see if it's any good. I'll let you guys know. We'll make it in a few minutes. Got some razors, because I ran out. I got some tape. because we're gonna do a vision board tomorrow. I got some stickers for my vision board. I thought these were so cute. I love this little eye. Oh, and then I got a planner. How cute is this planner? It's crystals. I love it. I'm gonna get really organized with my filming schedule. I feel like I did a pretty good job throughout the year of posting on my days that I post, but there was some weeks where I wasn't able to keep up with my schedule. But I just want to get really organized about my schedule and plan ahead what videos I want to film. Like for instance, for the month of January, I already planned out all the videos that I want to film, and I think they're gonna like sprinkle over to February because I thought of so many video ideas that I'm really excited about. So basically I'm just gonna plan out every week like what videos I'm filming that day, what day those videos are getting posted, and we're gonna sprinkle in the vlogs as well because I know you guys love the vlogs. But I also am really enjoying filming sit down videos, so I really hope that you're excited about that, because I feel like with the sit down videos I get to share so much more of the things that I love. Like I've become really excited about style, so I want to share just more style, more hair things, some makeup tutorials, just like other things that I don't do on the vlogs. I want to be able to share it through those videos, and those videos are the ones where you're gonna like really see all the products that I love. Like sometimes in the vlogs I don't mention why is my voice cracking like that? Sometimes in the vlogs I don't mention like certain products that I'm using, lip combos, but in those sit down videos like favorites and makeup tutorials and other things, that's where you're gonna like get the tea on the beauty products that I'm loving. But yeah, I just wanted to get this I wanted to get this planner so that I could get organized and plan my videos for you guys. Let's rip this off. And I just can't believe that I found a planner with crystals. I mean, how cute is that? They also had a blue one. And then I got this board. It's by Elmer. Oh, it's by Elmer's, and it's a foam board, and it brings 3. I was gonna get a regular poster board, but I didn't want it to be so flimsy. Like I wanted something sturdy because I figured once I make my vision board, I don't have to like stick it on a wall or anything. Maybe I could lean it on something instead of, I don't know. I also like that it was just a lot sturdier. So I'm excited. I'm gonna be making my vision board tomorrow. Today I'm gonna be planning, and I'm also gonna be writing down some goals. Today's actually a new moon, and on the new moon you're supposed to write down the things that you want to accomplish, things that you want. So I'm gonna be doing that tonight, prepping for my vision board tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave that there, and we're gonna make some food and put this stuff away. I just made the cauli mac and cheese, but it needs a little bit of flavor. It's not like blowing me away, it's just okay. But I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of my nutritional yeast, and this will be my dinner.